Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be solving this question. This is x cubed divided by 2 plus 2x squared minus 5x is equal to 0. So we're going to be solving for the value of x so that we're able to find out the value of x that actually makes this equation to hold. Okay, so ensure you pay attention and also understanding every step we're going to be taking to solve this problem. And just before we continue, if you're watching us on Facebook, you can actually do well to like the video and also share to your friends. And you can also go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're going to be getting the link in the comment box of this video. And of course, if you're also watching us on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video also, and also turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content you will actually get to know about it. So having said that, we're going to proceed with this. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is actually to factorize x in all of these things, and if I do that, I am going to be having, okay, so first let me just write my solution, and then I'm going to repeat this question. X cubed divided by 2 plus 2x squared minus 5x is equal to 0. So I'm going to factorize x like I mentioned, and if I do that, I'm going to be having x into x squared divided by 2 plus 2x, okay, minus 5. Okay, so this is equal to 0. And already we are having that one value of x here is equal to 0, because if you remember this relation, that if a dot b is equal to 0, it is either, this implies that either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So with that in mind, we can see clearly that x is equal to 0, or x squared over 2 plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we've gotten one value of x, that x is equal to 0. What we're going to do now is just to proceed to simplify this one to also get the remaining two values of x that also going to satisfy this equation. Okay, so doing that, I'm going to be having x squared over 2 plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So what I will do next is just to multiply through by 2 so that I will be able to clear this fraction right here. So I'll do 2 times x squared over 2 plus 2 times 2s minus 2 times 5 right here, and it is equal to also 2 times 0. So I'm multiplying through by 2. Okay, so simplify these two, we cancel this. I am now having x squared plus 2 times 2x will give us 4x minus 2 times 5 will give us 10, and it's equal to 2 times 0 will give me 0. So this is my new equation, and of course, as you can see, this is the quadratic equation. And I'm just going to be using the formula method, which basically says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Okay, and in this case, my a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is equal to 1. My b, which is coefficient of x, is equal to 4, and c, which is a constant, is equal to minus 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is just to go ahead and substitute in this formula I am having right here. And if I do that, I will have that my x is equal to minus b, which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 10. Okay, and then it's also divided by 2 times 1. Simplifying further, this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, this is root 24, root 16 minus, or rather plus 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 10 will give us 40. Okay, and it's all divided by 2. Okay, this is what we have. And then if we simplify further, we're going to be having that this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 56, okay, divided by 2. Okay, so this is what we have. We can also simplify further to have that this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, okay, root 4 times 14, okay, divided by 2. Okay, now we can have that this is equal to 4 plus or minus I see 4 here is a perfect square. I can actually take the square root, which will give me 2 root 14 divided by 2. Okay, so simplifying further, I'm going to factorize 2 from here, and if I do that, I'm going to be having that my x is now equal to 2 into minus 2 plus or minus root 14, okay, all divided by 2. Okay, now I can, these two can actually cancel these two, and then I will have that my x is now equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 14. So you can see clearly that we have gotten all the values of x, and if you remember, our question is actually having x cubed, so 3 is the highest degree of our x right here, which is actually telling us that we are going to be having 3 values of x. And so we've gotten that the 3 values of x here is x is equal to 0. That was the first one we got. And then secondly, x is also equal to, we name this x1. Okay, x2 will now be equal to minus 2 plus root 14. And then the third value of x, which we can name x3, will now be minus 3, minus 2 rather, minus root 14. So these are the 3 values of x, and if you plug any of it in the question, it should satisfy that equation. So if you have enjoyed this video, ensure you give this video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and also like this video, turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you will actually get to know about it. And of course, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.